Hi everyone, it is John the Science Guy, and welcome once again to Science Fridays with John and How to Network. I have a great question to ask you today. How do you tell if an egg is hard-boiled? Now, there's a couple things you could do. I could take the egg and I could throw it at someone, and if it gets all over their face, then I guess it's not hard-boiled. If I throw it to them and they just say, hey, you blockhead, then I guess the egg is probably hard-boiled because it just hit them harder than a regular egg. But we've got 4 eggs here, right? I'm gonna take one out. I take this egg and I'm gonna spin it. Take a look at that egg. I'm gonna spin it. Wow! It's like a wobbly wobble. You remember those when you were younger? That's pretty cool, right? Let's take this one. Hey, it's kind of broken. Maybe I got a defective one. Let's try this one. Hey, there we go. What about this one over here? So I got 2 broken ones I got to return. Well, actually, no, they're not broken. These eggs are hard-boiled. These eggs are not. But how did we determine that? Well, spinning uses a force that we're all familiar with, gravity. When the egg yolk is hard-boiled, it balances. So thus, we get a beautiful spin. Almost like a little top. Okay. But this one has that yolk gel inside. And it doesn't really spin like this one does. They wobble, right? That doesn't wobble, that spins. That spins. All right. But how does this relate to people? Because you know that's what I'm always about. Gravity is an indicator for us to tell whether an egg is hard-boiled or not. There are a lot of indicators in life. If you're talking to someone and the person is, you're talking to them and they're like, they're kind of like taking a step back and they're turning their body. What's that indicator of? It's an indicator of they want you to wrap up the conversation or they really aren't too interested in talking with you anymore. So we have to, in order to be successful in life, recognize these indications. We sometimes call them social cues. Now with the eggs, obviously, if an egg is hard-boiled, well, we know that we can easily eat that egg, right? We can just crack it. The other egg we probably want to use to make scrambled eggs or omelet or something like that. But in life, when somebody's there and they're talking, remember I said this to you, no one cares about you. You need to care about the other person. So Dale Carnegie said it best, the 2 most important things in life, learn how to say someone else's name and say it frequently. When you meet them, and if you don't know their name, well, ask them, gee, you have a great name. I don't want to botch it up. Would you say it for me? And then the second thing is, you want to strive to become interested in the other person. That is real important. Thus, when somebody starts to move away from you, take the social cue. All right, well, look, it was great talking with you. And then you can move away. And then this way, next time, they may actually want you to stay longer. So use cues in life. Pay attention to them. They're indicators. I'm John the Science Guy, or AKA John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur, and I invite you right now to give us a thumbs up. All right? Go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and why not smash that bell notification icon? This way, you're going to be notified when I publish other content about science immediately. And if the video really resonates with you, share it out to everyone you know here. And also look below any one of my videos for the key phrase, help keep our content free. Even though our videos are free to millions of viewers around the world every single day of the year, my team and I always appreciate those that want to buy us a cup of coffee for today, for tomorrow, for the week, for the month, for the quarter, and for the year. Incidentally, we use those pennies and dollars that we're grateful for to put them into new hardware and equipment to give you the best jaw-dropping motivational content in science and other fields. I am John, AKA John C. Morley, the Science Guy, and I'll be back real soon with another science video just for you.